programmable US dollars may be necessary, you think, to support new business models and provide a foundation to much needed innovations in financial settlements and infrastructure. Because the old system is dead. It's dead. It died in 2008 and has been on free money life support, which should be pretty obvious is breaking down now. So they need programmable US dollars to provide a foundation to create this new system. Yeah. Let's see. Do you think you're too big to fail? Because I think you're right, just about the right size. Projects like this that focus on the digitization of central bank money and individual bank deposits could be expanded to take a broader view of the opportunity. Let me tell you, will they take a broad view of the opportunity? But you tell me what's your opportunity if this is where you're holding your wealth and it's programmable in their control. Your opportunities will be gone. There should be the option of leveraging the scale and economic value of bank deposits, because clearly with hypothecation and rehypothecation, which is the ability of the banks to use your equity to borrow on their behalf, and in many cases, an unlimited number of times, that's not enough leverage. No. There should be the option of leveraging the scale and economic value of bank deposits. They are playing with your equity. Why is that okay with you? Whether it's a bank deposit or it's a brokerage account, why is that okay with you? The regulated liability network is an innovative proof of concept. So it's an algorithm led the industry that could help shape how consumers and businesses view the credibility of token-based payments. We have got to get the people's buy-in. Why? Because this is a con game. It's a Ponzi scheme on top of the Ponzi scheme that has already been perpetuated on the public since 1913. Every single person has to determine if that's okay with them. Now, if this is the system and there's no change, which there has to, I hope Ray Dalio is right. I hope we're going to see a revolution, because none of this is okay with me. It takes absolutely every bit of control away from you, the public, and me, the public, and puts it in the hands of Wall Street and bankers. Do you trust them? I do not. So let's look at a little bit of leverage, which is, what is this? Well, this is the notional amount of precious metal, meaning gold contracts. The notional. When you see that word, nominal, notional, what you know is you have no idea of the amount that is really at risk. These are derivative contracts on gold. And you think with all those derivative contracts that it impacts the price that you see? Yeah, I think it does. Derivatives are a great way to see how banks leverage gold, and they do it with silver too, and they make money on that leverage. And they get you to go, oh, but look, gold is going down. I don't want to buy. What? I guess I'll buy stocks, or I guess I'll sit in cash, or I'll do some other fiat money piece. And they've got you right where they want you, because this is cheap and easy, and using your wealth for their benefit. It's a good idea for them, but how about for you? Because physical gold works different. So does physical silver. It works different because that's a true supply and demand market. So my original plan when we got to the whole other side of this mess was to convert a chunk of my gold holdings, not all of them because you always have to have a foundation anyway, but a chunk of my gold holdings into the new currency when it had a component of gold in there and was stable. That's when you're going to know it's over, is when they put a component of gold in the currency. But seeing all of this that they're choosing to do, no. I will convert it as I need it. How about you? Because let's take a look at what's happening in the physical world, in this world right here. Because maybe a month ago or something like that, I showed you that the physical collectible coins had broken out. And guess what? That's gotten even bigger. It expands. Can you see that? It had just done a breakout. Well, I would say that this is a definitive breakout. When are you going to position in? Oops, sorry about that. When are you going to position in? When it goes a whole lot higher? Or how about now while you still can, before they've got you completely under their control? Because once we go to a digital currency, they don't want you buying gold. Boom, you push a button. They don't want you buying anything. Boom, you don't agree with them politically. Boom. They have you. And there won't be anything that you can do about it then.